Today I'm going to show you how to actually block users from changing their BitLocker PIN code or password. You know, when you configure BitLocker for computers or laptops, users may have the opportunity to change the password you give them the first time. But as an IT administrator, you can use group policy to actually block users from changing their password. So let me just show you, give you an example. So here I have configured BitLocker on this computer, and the recovery password is actually is being controlled by Active Directory. So the password is being saved in Active Directory. So if I right click on this on the C drive, and I have the option here to change BitLocker password. And here you can see I can enter the old password and then enter a new password as well. So I will click change. So if I click change, you can see the password has been successfully changed. But right now we have the option to actually block the user from doing this. So let me just go to my domain controller. Here I have my Active Directory. And here I have under my Active Directory, if I go to this computer, which is the C001, you can see I have the C001, and the BitLocker recovery key is being saved automatically to Active Directory. You can see the recovery password and the computer name. But if I go to group policy, here I've already created a group policy, and you can see the BitLocker configuration is actually here. So I'm just going to edit the policy I created. And under the policy, you need to go to on your computer configuration, and then here we go to policies. And we're going to look for administrative template. In administrative template, we're going to go to Windows components. Let me try to expand this a little bit. And I'm going to search for Bit local drive encryption, and here we have the operating system drive. Let me go to standard, and in the operating system drive we have the option to actually disallow standard users from changing the PIN or password. So right now it's set to not configured, so that's why the user was able to change his password. So to actually block the user or actually not allow the user to change his BitLocker PIN code or password, we should just enable this option. Here you can actually read more information about this policy. So I'm going to click apply and click OK. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to restart this computer for the policy to properly take effect. We can as well do a GP update, but let me just restart this computer so that I can configure, so we can see the policy in effect. So I've restarted the computer. So let's go and check back on the C drive and see what happened if you disallow the users to actually change their BitLocker PIN or password. So like before, whenever I click on the C drive, here you have the option to actually change your password. So right now you can see that the option is not there anymore because the policy is now being taken effect. But we also have the option to actually change the password. But if I go to manage BitLocker here, and here you see we have the option change password. But because I've actually configured this policy to disallow standard users from changing the passwords, the administrator still have the means actually to change this password. So if I click change password, you see it's going to actually pop up my admin for me to enter my admin credentials. So which means only admin users can actually change the password. So now the standard users, if you log onto this computer as a standard user, you will not have the opportunity to change the password anymore. So that is how you actually configure a group policy to block users from changing their password. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to like my video and leave me a comment behind, and I will reply as quick as possible. You can as well send me a personal email if you have any question concerning BitLocker. I'll be leaving my email below, and I will respond to you as quick as possible. You can as well use my LinkedIn to also send me a personal message, which I'll be leaving behind this video. Thank you very much. My name is Kelvin Johnson once more, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. Bye.